Namaste everyone, this is Shakti, and in my today's video I'm going to teach you 3 pranayama which is very effective for migraine and acidity problem. So how do we do that and what are these pranayama? How the migraine happens? Migraine basically happens because of acidity and heat in the body. So for that we have a very nice cooling down pranayama which can be done whenever you feel headache, migraine or hyperacidity problem. So let's start. So first you sit in any comfortable position, Sukhasana, Vajrasana or the Siddhasana, whatever way you feel you are comfortable, just sit in any comfortable position. Keep your spine straight, close your eyes, keep your hands in mudra. First focus on your breath for a while. For any pranayama, when you start, you need to do some preparation. First you need to focus on your breath and calm down your mind for a while by focusing on your 10 breath. Every breath going in and out, you're counting. And with the smile, you're focusing and relaxing your mind. Once you feel your mind is relaxed, then we'll start with first cooling down pranayama. So first pranayama is cooling down pranayama, which is we call Shithali pranayama. So here I'm going to show you Shithali with some variation which is very effective for migraine problem and the hyperacidity. So for this you need to roll your tongue in upward direction, making like a pipe, and you're going to breathe in through that pipe in 4 counts or 4 seconds. So 4 seconds you will take and breathe in slowly as you can, and then you're going to close your mouth, and with closed lips you're going to do humming bee or Brahmari sound up to 8 counts. So that will give the extension to your breath, and you will have more calming effect on your body and the mind, and the more cooliness on your body and the mind. So I'm going to demonstrate this pranayama. So I'm going to demonstrate 3 rounds, but you can do when you have a severe headache, migraines, acidity, you can do up to 10 rounds, not less than 10 rounds. So let's start. Relax. After doing whatever rounds you're doing, 3 to 10, after doing up to 10 rounds, you're going to relax and going to feel the effect of the breathing on your mind, on your body, especially the part, the throat, the jaws, the sides of the jaws and the tongue and the roof of the mouth, everywhere. Feel the relaxation and the cooliness. The second pranayama, cooling down pranayama, which we are going to practice is Shitkari pranayama. So this is also very beautiful pranayama to control your hyperacidity, migraine and headaches. So for this you need to roll your tongue in upward direction like this, and you need to tuck it between the teeth, and then you're going to suck the air through the sides of the tongue. There is a pipe kind of folding in the tongue. Through that you're going to inhale the same way, 4 seconds inhalation, and then slowly with control close your mouth and you're going to exhale for 8 counts. So let me show you the 3 rounds, but you need to do up to 10 rounds. Let's start. Stretch your tongue out. Feel the effect of the breathing once you complete 10 rounds. The cooliness, especially the sides of the mouth, up to the throat and up to the mind, feeling everywhere the cooliness and the relaxation. So the third pranayama we are going to practice is Sadanta pranayama, that is also cooling down pranayama. So let's start. First I'm going to explain it, how to do it, then I'll show the demonstration. So first for this you need to clench your teeth, and through the gap of the teeth you're going to inhale the air inside up to 4 counts or 4 seconds. Then with the control you're going to close your mouth and going to do the Brahmari or humming bee sound up to 8 counts. So if you're not able to do up to 8 counts, do probably 6 or 5 counts, but try to stretch it as long as you can. So let's start. I'm going to give you the demonstration now. Clench your teeth. Relax and feel the effect of the breathing, especially the roof of the mouth. You're feeling the cooliness and the relaxation in the mind with this beautiful breathing. Next breathing we are going to practice for migraine and acidity is left nostril breathing. So how to do this breathing? You're going to put your left hand in mudra, right hand goes up, two fingers center and the index finger between your eyebrows. You're going to close your right nostril with the right thumb. You are going to breathe in through the left slowly, slowly. Same as I said, 4 counts inhale and 8 count exhale slowly, slowly. If you couldn't exhale normally, you can add the humming bee or Brahmari sound that will increase your exhalation. So this also we need to do 10 rounds. So 10 rounds of this left nostril breathing will give you complete relaxation in your migraine and hyperacidity. So let me demonstrate few rounds for you. Left hand in mudra, right hand goes up, two fingers center of your eyebrows. I'm gonna close my right nostril with right thumb and I'm gonna breathe in through the left, 4 counts, 4 seconds, slowly, slowly. Then closing this, opening the right and exhaling, normal or humming bee. Keep your hand down after practicing 10 rounds. Feel the effect of the breathing on your mind, as if mind has become completely cool, calm and quiet. Your migraine has settled down completely. The hyperacidity also settling down. And you feel calming effect of the breathing everywhere. And you are enjoying it thoroughly. Keep practicing these breathing whenever you have headache or hyperacidity. 10-10 of each breathing, 10-10 sets of each breathing will take away all the migraine and acidity. And also if you have a regular migraine problem, you can adopt this breathing in your daily lifestyle. Every day morning, empty stomach, you practice these 4 pranayamas you need to practice every day to get rid of the migraine and hyperacidity for forever. So that's it for now. Thank you everyone. Keep practicing. Namaste.